Want to update your gender information on the BingX app in 2026? The option is usually found within your profile or identity settings, although availability can vary depending on your region and account verification status. Open the BingX and sign in to your account. Next, tap your profile icon and open Profile Settings, Personal Information, or Account Settings. If your account includes a gender field, tap it and select the correct option. Then save your changes. If you have already completed identity verification, some personal information fields may be locked for security and compliance reasons. In that case, you may need to contact BingX customer support and request a profile update or correction. The platform may ask for identity verification documents before making changes to verified information. Keep in mind that some BingX accounts may not include a gender field at all, depending on the app version and regional regulations. And that's how you can change your gender information on the BingX app in 2026. If the option is available for your account, don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto guides.